2008 Olympics open in Beijing, but protests are already overshadowing the excitement behind the sporting event. Chinese police have detained 6 demonstrators who unfurled a banner on the Great Wall calling for a free Tibet.
But in fact, their human rights record in Tibet is getting worse, and they've, ruled there with a bloody and brutal occupation for more than 50 years, and Tibet's a central part of their propaganda.
As Han said, it's a life and death situation for people inside Tibet. They hold China accountable to the promises they made to the IOC to improve their human rights record.
Then show us that you are concerned. Don't just say it. Show us that you are truly concerned for human rights and freedom.
So this is one of the only ways we have of getting our word out and making sure the Tibetan issue isn't forgotten.
The IOC has said that human rights will improve in China as a result of the Olympics in 2008.
The record of the Chinese authorities in China and Tibet and other Chinese-controlled areas, it's getting worse.
Take them to China, you can take them to Beijing, educate them, brainwash them, send them to Chinese schools, teach them Chinese, make them forget Tibetan. But you can never own this land, you can never change the Tibetans into Chinese.